I just really want to see more women out here on these beautiful trails, enjoying the views and the nature and feeling amazing. My name is Veronika and I'm from Slovakia, but I've been living in Asia for over 7 years and I'm based in Hong Kong since end of last year. I'm a passionate trail runner and the founder of Asia Trail Girls. I joined my first trail running race exactly 3 years ago in China. It was a coincidence. I used to be a triathlete and a road runner, but as soon as I experienced trail running, I really fell in love with it. I loved running in the mountains and being surrounded by beautiful scenery, but I didn't have a chance to train much on trails until I moved to Hong Kong end of last year. I actually met my fiancé now in Hong Kong last year at a race, and I decided to follow my heart and move to Hong Kong. And I'm super happy about that decision because it's an amazing place to do trail running. Since I moved to Hong Kong, I'm running on trails almost every day, but I also started a female-focused community called Asia Trail Girls. It's a community to empower more women to run on trails. We share stories, we are doing podcasts, workshops, social runs, so all sorts of things. And it's been going great, and I hope I can really motivate more and more women to get involved in trail running. When I was racing all over Asia last year, I noticed that there is very few women in the races, usually choosing a very short distance. So it's a very male-dominated sport, and I want to change that because trail running gave me so much. It gave me so much confidence and strength, and I really want other women to have the same experience. And in the future, I would love to run more, race more, and empower more women to join trail running through different workshops and running clinics with the help of Asia Trail Girls. I love the mountains here. It's what makes Hong Kong really special, and I love running with Matt. It's what brought us together, and it's our love story.